Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alecia'S kitchen. In today's video I'll be making this amazing French toast and it's stacked with berries. Guys, thank you once more for stopping by. Now let's cook. So guys, for my French toast I'm using this Dempster's Texas toast and this is a whole wheat one. You guys can use white bread if you want. I'm using half cup of sugar, some nutmeg, cinnamon, vanilla, 2% milk, and eggs. Now guys, you want to break your eggs. So guys, since I'm only cooking for myself and these eggs are pretty large, I'll be using one egg for now. You want to whisk that out and you're going to add your sugar. Milk. Your vanilla, cinnamon, and your nutmeg. And these are about a half teaspoon of each. And you're just going to continue whisking that until your sugar is dissolved. So now guys, I'll be soaking my bread one at a time, and you want to make sure that it's soaked all the way through. Perfect. So in a lightly greased non-stick skillet, you're gonna cook your bread on each side for about a minute until it's golden brown. And now guys, breakfast is served. Thank you guys once more for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like. Comment, share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.